a system consisting of massless pulley, a spring of force constant K, and a block of mass M. Look into the figure. If the block is slightly displaced vertically down from its equilibrium position and then released, the period of its vertical oscillation is. So in the question, the diagram given is a spring is attached to the fixed support. This spring is connected to a pulley which carries a string. This side, the string is fixed, and the other side is connected to a body of mass M. And if this mass M is pulled and left, you have to find the period of oscillation. Now we'll have to see what are the forces acting here. Mechanics. Mechanics में springs and pulleys we have seen. This mass M is having weight mg in the downward direction. This will be tension in the string. They are equal and opposite in the equilibrium position, means there is no oscillation at present. Here upward T, here for the pulley T will be downward. Correct? Now in this string, the tension is T on one side, T on other side. So here the tension will be 2T, balance 2T and 2T equal. So the force acting on the spring in the upward direction is how much? 2T. Observe the diagram. Now this block is pulled and released, and it is performing oscillations. We have to find the periodic time of that oscillations. So we know that F is always equal to minus kx in simple harmonic motion. So this force 2T will be equal to minus kx. Suppose this x is x1 and this x is suppose x2. They will be different. When the block is pulled down, the spring will also come down, means pulley will also move down. So the displacement of the pulley is suppose x1, displacement of this block is suppose x2. So here we have taken x1, 2T, this force on the spring is equal to minus k x1. So you can say that T is equal to minus k x1 by 2. You got one relation. Now when you pull down this block by suppose x2, then concentrate carefully कि अगर इस साइड में एक्सटेंशन होता है x और इस साइड में एक्सटेंशन होता है x, दोनों तरफ इधर x, तो इस स्ट्रिंग का टोटल एक्सटेंशन कितना हुआ? 2x. तो ये भी होना चाहिए 2x. यहां पर ये साइड फिक्स है, जितना भी एक्सटेंशन हो रहा है सिर्फ एक ही साइड में हो रहा है. मतलब क्या फिर कि सपोज ये एक्सटेंशन है x प्लस x, यानी कि ये होना चाहिए 2x, राइट? मतलब इसके डबल. सो एक्सटेंशन x2 इज डबल ऑफ x1. ये बात समझ लो अच्छी तरह से. मतलब ये अगर है x1 तो ये x2 इक्वल टू होगा कितना? ट्वाइस x1. सो x2 is equal to twice x1, that is equal to 2 into x1 होगा 2t upon k, so minus of course, so x2 will be minus 4t upon k. Have a look at it. Or you can say T, that is force, restoring force, is equal to k x2 upon 4 minus of course. Restoring force होता है minus kx. And here we got the restoring force as minus k by 4 into x2. इसको 4 को इधर ले लो. F is minus kx, मतलब k कितना है? k by 4. F का ओरिजिनल फॉर्मूला है minus kx. We got F is minus k by 4 into x2, means k है k by 4. So periodic time t will be 2 pi under root m by k, और t is equal to 2 pi under root m by k की जगह पर होगा k by 4. So it is 2 pi under root 4 m by k. So your answer will be 2 pi under root 4 m by k, or if it is 4 is taken out, square root of 4 is 2. So 4 pi under root m by k. That is option D. So your answer is 4 pi under root m by k. That is option D.